In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import questions into Google Forms. This skill can be incredibly useful if you are working on creating surveys, quizzes, or any form of questionnaire with efficiency and ease. So let's dive right in and walk through the process together step by step. First things first, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to Google. In the search bar, type "How to import questions into Google Forms" and hit enter. This will lead you to a variety of resources and guides that can help you. But today, we'll focus on a streamlined approach to get your questions imported quickly. Now, once you're on Google Forms, you should either start a new form or open an existing one that you'd like to add questions to. Google Forms makes it quite intuitive to create new forms, but the power really lies in its ability to save time by importing existing questions. So to do this, look for the icon that looks like a document with an arrow pointing from it. This is the Import button, your best friend for this task. When you click the Import button, a window will pop up showing your existing Google Forms. Here, you'll see a list of forms you've previously created. Select the form that contains the questions you want to import. This selection process makes it convenient if you have a standard set of questions you use regularly, as you won't have to retype them. After choosing the form, it will list all the questions in that form. This is where you can be selective. You have the option to either import all the questions from that form or handpick the ones you need by clicking the checkboxes next to each question. If you prefer to streamline your form with only specific questions, say for a targeted survey, this allows for maximum flexibility. Once you've made your selections, confirm your choices by clicking the Import Questions button. The chosen questions will then populate your current form in the exact format they appeared in the original. This ensures consistency and saves you from potential formatting errors. As a tip, always double-check the imported questions to ensure that they fit the context of your new form. Occasionally, you might want to tweak a word or two to align it perfectly with your survey's objectives. Spending a moment here can enhance clarity for your respondents. That's it. You've now successfully imported questions into your Google form. By using this feature, you'll save substantial time and effort, allowing you to focus more on the content of your survey rather than the logistics of form creation. With Google Forms, creating comprehensive and efficient surveys is now simpler than ever. Thanks for watching and happy form building.